Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Goan delicacy which is Sannas. We serve these Sannas with the mutton curry. My amma is only going to share this recipe for our channel. Look at the difference, this is so soft and pillowy in texture. Without further delay, let's get started. Take 2 cups of raw rice in a bowl. Add in 2 tablespoons of Urad dal. Clean the rice and soak it in water. Soak the raw rice for 4 hours. If you want to prepare sannas for breakfast means you can soak it for overnight. Next day morning you can prepare the batter for sannas. We have soaked the rice for 4 hours. Drain the water from the rice. Reserve the rice soaked water which we'll be using while grinding the batter. Next we are going to grind the rice in 2 batches. Take half the quantity of rice in a mixer grinder jar. Add in 1/4 cup of boiled rice. Totally we need half a cup of rice. We'll be adding the remaining rice in the second batch. In goes 1/4 cup of coconut. Same way totally we need half a cup of coconut. Remaining coconut we'll be adding in the second batch. Add in 1 tablespoon of sugar. In goes 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Grind the rice into a fine batter using the rice soaked water. Add the batter in a large bowl. For the second batch, add in the remaining 1/4 cup of coconut. In goes 1/4 cup of boiled rice. I'll provide the measurement of the ingredients in the description below. Once again, add in 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. So totally we need 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Grind the batter finely and add it to the bowl. Mix the batter nicely with the spoon. This should be the consistency of the batter, so add in water accordingly and grind well. It took nearly 1 cup of water to grind the batter. Cover the bowl with the lid and allow the batter to ferment. It will take 4 hours to ferment. Having said that, the fermentation time depends on the place you reside. If the weather is cold means it will take more time to ferment. Rest the batter until it doubles in volume. I have placed the bowl on a plate, just to be safe if the batter overflows. Look at the difference, the batter has risen perfectly. Add salt as needed and mix the batter gently. We are preparing sannas in this small mold. Grease the mold nicely with oil. Fill the mold with the batter. Cook the sannas in a steamer. The cooking time depends on the size of the mold. For me, it took 10 minutes to cook the sannas since the mold is smaller in size. Look at the difference, the sannas has cooked perfectly. Next we are making sannas in these cute little molds. In traditional way, they use toddy to ferment the batter, but we have replaced it with active dry yeast. There is also a sweeter version of sannas which you can have it as such. We are making plain sannas and having it with the spicy mutton curry. Cool the sannas before demolding it. Run a spatula along the sides of the mold and demold it. Look at the difference, how beautiful the sannas has turned out. I would say the sannas almost taste like vatayappam. You can serve sannas with any spicy vegetable curries, mutton curries, chicken stew or any other curry as per your wish. These are cute little rice cakes and super spongy. With the measurement I have shared, I am able to prepare this much quantity of sannas. Look at the difference, beautiful looking sannas is ready to be served now. These are cute little rice cakes and pillowy soft. Do try this sannas and share me the feedback. If you try this recipe, share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. These rice cakes are pillowy soft and spongy. I hope you like this recipe. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.